Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here is the task. What does the sign indicate? Number 1. Only bicycles are allowed to use this lane. Number 2. Motor vehicles may park in this lane. Number 3. Bicycles and pedestrians must share this lane. Number 4. Motorcycles can use this lane during traffic jams. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The bike lane sign, R317, marks a part of the roadway specifically reserved for bicycles. Motor vehicles are not allowed to drive or park there, except in special circumstances like crossing over to turn. So the correct answer is number 1. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.